Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, powers and exponents. Actually, we have done all this chapter. So now today we will revision of this chapter. What are the basic points? What are the important things to solve this chapter? Okay. This is from book CTA, page number 74. Okay. So now first of all, actually, what are the exponential notations? Exponential, okay? Notation. Suppose we have 6 power 4. These all things, these all term belongs to exponential notations. Okay, so 6 is the base and 4 means power. Okay, means exponent. Okay, बच्चे, exponent. Okay, it's exponential notation. So now second things, actually we have done all questions. Suppose we have 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. Then it means we express each of the following in exponential form. I have told you in the exercise, if bases are same, then here nothing power means exponent, nothing means 1. Nothing means 1. Okay, if bases are same, then powers exponents will be adding. If base only 1 times, then powers will be adding 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it means the answer is here is the base, here is the exponents, and both things belongs to exponential notation. Okay, so after that actually we have done laws of exponents. Actually, this is the backbone, most important things. Laws of exponents. Okay, first of all, actually the 6 exponents. Okay, first is multiplying number with the same base. If we have a power m multiply a power m, then we will get if bases are same, multiplying, then powers will be added according to this question. Okay, this is the law. First law, a power m plus n. Okay, bache. Second one, suppose if we take an example, we have 6 power 2 multiply 6 power 3, then bases is same, then powers will be added. Means 6 power 2 plus 3, then answer 6 power 5, means exponent 5. Okay, so second law. Dividing number with the same base. Dividing number with the same base means a power m divide a power m. Dividing number with the same base. Bases are same, but exponents are same, not same. Dividing number with the same base means base will be 1 time, then powers with exponents will be minus. Okay, an example. Suppose an example. 6 power 4 exponent 4 divide 6 exponent 2, same. Okay, the bases are same in the division, but exponents are not same, then bases will be 1 time, exponents will be minus. Then answer 6 power 2, 6 exponent 2. This is the second law. This is first, this is second, now third. What is third? Taking exponent of exponents. Taking exponent of exponents. Actually, what is it? A exponent m exponent n. a exponent n, whole exponent n, then we will get a m n. Mean exponents will be multiplied. For example, we have 6 power 4 power 2, means 6 exponent 4 whole exponent 2. The answers will be 6 4 to multiply, means 4 to 8, then 8. Okay, understood? So now fourth one. What is fourth one? Multiplying number with the same exponent. Actually these three laws depends on the if bases are same, depends on the basis. So now next fourth one is dividing multiplying number with the same exponents, means a power m multiply b power n. Now check, here is the multiplying, but bases are not same. In the first law bases will be same. So now in the third one, bases are not same but exponents are same. So it means we will get multiplying bases, means a b, then exponents will be one time, means n. Okay, for example, we have 6 power 2 multiplied 3 power 2. Now bases are not same but exponents are same. It means multiply these two things. 6 multiply 3 exponents 2 means 18 exponent 2. Okay, so now in the fifth one, dividing number with the same exponents. Dividing number in the same exponent, not bases. Okay, same exponents means then we will divide a upon b, then exponents will be in the one time. Okay बच्चे, for example, okay, we have 6 power 3 divide 5 power 3, then it means 6.5 exponents 3. Okay, so last one, number with exponent 0. Number with exponent 0. Any number which exponent is 0, then it's 1, means any 601, 501, anything else. Okay बच्चे, this is the backbone of this exercise, of this chapter, powers and exponents. Okay, and last one we have done expressing large number in standard form. Actually yesterday we have done the standard form methods. What is the method of standard form? Methods to write given number in standard form. Actually, number of digits to the number of digits, okay, to the left of decimal point -1. Okay, for example, if we have 1 2 3 4 1 5, so firstly number of digits to the left of a decimals, Here decimals count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. It means here's 4 minus 1. Okay, actually I am doing the simplest and short form. Okay, then 3, it means 3 will be in the exponents of 10. Okay, so in the standard form we will draw, we will paste, we will stand a point between the 1 after one digit, means 1.2345 multiply 10 power 3. Okay, so actually we have no space to fill the odds table, so that's why it is a short form. I hope you have understood what is exponential form. Okay, laws of exponents, 6 laws. Okay, and last one is method to write a given number in standard form. Okay students, so I hope you have understood. Thank you, have a nice day.